downhill 3. A19 North, we're coming off at the downhill interchange and the options are towards Bolden or to Hilton Castle. In half a mile we're coming off the Nissan Offices Industrial Estate exit for the A1290. Three stripes check your mirrors, 2 stripes indicate. As we approach the slip road, we're leaving, we're going to turn right straight away, so check your mirrors and indicate to the right, move across into the right hand lane if it's safe to do so. And at the roundabout we're going to explore the exits 3 and 4 to Bolden and Hilton Castle. Climbing up the bank, the sign gives us a choice of 3 lanes. Only go in the right hand lane for turning right. The left hand 2 lanes go only towards Nissan at the 1290. Speed limit changes to 40. We're turning right, so stay in the right hand lane. If you move into the left hand lane, you have to rejoin the A19 North. Look left, indicate left, spiral into the left hand lane. Now on approach this time we're going to Bolden, so leave the left hand indicator on. Exit and make progress up the downhill lane. The other alternative on this roundabout is to turn right to go towards Hilton Castle. So mirrors, indicate right, stay in the left hand lane. We're indicating right in case there's any traffic emerging from the downhill lane. Look left, indicate left and make progress up the Washington Road towards Hilton Castle.